Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Decent First Gen. We're starting to shoot some videos and take advantage of some of the resources I've developed over the past couple of years as far as 12 valve Cummins go, especially the first gen community. I'm looking forward to showing you guys my passion. I love these trucks. I've built this truck from the ground up, and I've had a lot of interest in how I did it and what was involved. So we're going to start with videos mainly with my truck, and I'm looking to grow from there. I'm looking for lots of my subscribers to give me some input on what they want to see, any questions they have, whether it's about the trucks, about myself, really anything, and that can direct where the channel goes. So if you're new to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Obviously, as everyone says, hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload. Being new to this arena and filming videos and editing, my goal is to put out some content once to twice a week to begin with, and be consistent with that so you guys get the information that you need, and I'm trying not to overburden myself and burn myself out with this, because I want this to be a long-term commitment for myself to keep creating content and keep giving you guys what you want and what it is that you request that I create some content on. I don't do this full time. I'm not doing this for money. I'm not trying to make a big name for myself. If the channel grows and becomes big, that'll be great. I'll feel blessed if that's the case. I'm trying to connect with those that have the same passion as I do, and try and create a community around some of these trucks. Alright, so I'm going to end this introduction video to the channel with a few clips of the truck. I filmed a full video introducing my truck that I'll drop tomorrow. The blue it's the old Air Force color. It's an Air Force retired truck, 85. The green and the gold right here is the donor that I used. It was a 93. So here's the front. You'll notice these are not stock seats. So here we got the gauges. I've got all ISPRO gauges, trans temp, pyrometer, boost. So definitely a modification I suggest. Again, I've got a link on my channel to a video I did on how to do this. It works great. So this is, like I said, intercooled 5.9 12 valve VE fuel pump. I'll go through a couple things I've done to this. This is an external fuse block, so I've got most of my accessories on fuses through here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed some of those clips. Like I said, I'm going to drop a full video introducing my truck, a lot of the things I've done and I plan to do. I'll be dropping that tomorrow. Let me know if you have any requests for things you want to see. Let me know if you have any comments or any questions. And remember, go ahead, click below on that subscribe button. Let's grow together and create a community that we can all grow and learn from each other.